Hi, everyone. Quick check-in. We've reached the halfway point of this course. Nice work getting this far. Now, the goal is simple. Stay consistent and finish strong. Here are the 4 moves that will make the second half way easier for you. First, check your grades in Blackboard and actually read the feedback I left you. A lot of you are not reading it. I can actually see if you clicked on it. I can see how long you spent reading it. Read the feedback. Most point losses are fixable in the next assignment if you look at the comments. Second, stay on top of those deadlines. Late work not accepted, so don't gamble with Friday at 4:58 p.m. when you try to start your case study for the first time. Third, work ahead when you can. If you buy yourself a buffer, you avoid last-minute stress and those tech problems. Fourth, use your resources. You don't have to do this alone. Tulsa Community College has solid support structures. We have tutoring and learning service centers at every campus. The library services are there for research help. They are fantastic. Go talk to a librarian. You will be impressed with them. Academic advising is there if you need a withdrawal, update, change courses, or maybe even you're looking at business analytics or want to transfer to one of the other colleges and continue learning about this and make some money. Now, student accessibility resources, if you need accommodations, make sure you go speak to them, get the accommodations you need. And if you're struggling, if you're having a bad point in life, I know in the beginning videos I told you that I cannot be a confidant, but I can point you to the counseling services that TCC has. If you're overwhelmed, they are free and confidential. Those links are all available through TCC. I've also got them in Blackboard, so jump in there. If you need them, go see them. Bottom line for this class, consistent effort beats cramming every single time. Stay engaged, ask questions early, and keep your momentum. Enjoy the second half.